All right, so let's annotate. We need to determine the difference, subtraction, of angle O of 2 times angle S minus 3 times angle R. That's different. They've never done that one before, and they told you what that means. If you couldn't figure it out, I hope you were able to understand what that note meant. So we have lots and lots of angles to choose from. You know me. I like congruent angles, and I'm looking for the easiest numbers. So I'm going to choose this one and this one. They are alternate interior, so they are congruent. Set them equal to each other. Oh, plus. So this is how I'm starting. I don't know how you started, but we should all get the same value for x no matter what we did. I need my variables on the same side. I'm going to choose the smaller one and get rid of it. 4x equals 20. X equals 5. So no matter what, you should have gotten x equals 5, but not the question. So I'm going to figure out what my two angle measures are, because there's only two different angles here. So I'm going to do 14 times 5, which is what, 70? So this is 70 degrees. That means the supplementary angle is 110. And then I can just fill in everything. So this is vertical. This is corresponding. And then alternate interior. So the rest of them are 110. Okay. So I need to figure out 2 times angle S. Angle S is 110. If I double that, it's 220 minus 3 times angle R. Angle R is 70. 70 times 3 is 210. So the difference is 10 degrees. Number 5. What's the sum of all the obtuse angles? So that means greater than 90. All right. There's only one entry point. Yay, they're congruent. Alternate interior. Set them equal to each other. 3x plus 10 equals 5x minus 10. I got to get my variables on the same side. I'm going to choose the smaller one and get rid of it. Leaves me with 10 equals 2x minus 10. I need to get my 2x by itself, so I need to get rid of this minus 10 by adding it. So now I have 20 equals 2x. Isolate the variable to get 10 equals x, or x equals 10 if you prefer. Not the question, so I'm going to figure out what my angles are. So here, instead of x, I'm going to put a 10 in its place. So that's 30 plus 10, which is 40. That's not obtuse. What's the other angle going to be? 140. How many 140 degree angles are there? There are 4 of them. So if I add them all together, that's the same as multiplying by 4. 560 degrees. And that is it. It's time for your exit ticket. Do your work on paper first, because it will help you to answer the Google questions better, because the way I have to type in the questions to the Google form, it's a little bit different. So if you can solve it first, it'll make things a lot easier for you.